Good morning, YouTube. It is day 2 at the Bull Run GT Rally. We're still at the P-By. We're about to head out in a little bit. Still got the oil leak. Oh, got the drive-by loafer. Yes.
I had my coffee this morning.
He's all wired up already. He's
so
like
excited.
He's like caffeine.
They say it's gonna be the best roads in Nashville, supposedly.
Oh,
best roads in Nashville.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do my best to cover your freshly clean car in
so
oil.
Clean. Oh yes, thank you.
Yeah,
remember that video game Spy Hunter? That's
yeah.
Dan had the Spy Hunter video
my
game.
car has that button to release oil slick. It's just stuck on. You know, it's a Ferrari. It's got sticky buttons.
What can you do?
Yeah, it's not my fault, you know. We're gonna be in the back because I don't want to pee oil all over everyone's cars. It's still leaking, very small leak. We checked underneath the car, it's doing pretty good, and we got plenty of oil, so we're gonna make it to Nashville just fine. Then we're gonna go to James's place, take care of the car, pull off the tray, tighten the plugs, make sure nothing else is leaking, and we'll be good to go. So we're gonna get going.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
What? Who needs coffee in the morning?
I love your face.
Oh, it's
Lover, what's up with your piece of shit? It's stalling.
on that 4-cylinder.
Oh, there it
Now
goes.
it's calm. There we
Oh, I calmed
It's
down.
happy now.
Okay.
It has coffee.
Alright, here's all the cars ready to rock and roll today. Getting them all shined up and ready to go.
First up, we're gonna go to Graceland. You gotta go see Elvis Presley. Well, not really, but kind of. He's back, I know. I'm sure there's probably something there left. He never left. From there on, we're gonna head to Nashville. Now, we're not heading to Nashville directly on the route that we can go to Nashville unless you want to, which is boring. So if you want to do that, do that. If you don't want to do that, we're gonna head over to Muscle Shoals. And from Muscle Shoals, we're gonna head on up the Natchez Trace Parkway. The Natchez Trace Parkway is one of the 5 most beautiful roads in the country to drive. It's gonna add on about 2 hours. So today is all about driving and it's all about the music because in Muscle Shoals, there is also the Muscle Shoals recording studio. I think Aretha Franklin played there and recorded, and the Rolling Stones and Bob Dylan. So if you guys want, you can stop by there.
All day in paradise.
Yes, we're gonna go see Graceland.
Who drives 2,000 miles in their Ferraris?
Us,
Crazy.
while leaking oil across half the country.
I love it.
I'm just leaving my mark.
We are now underway. Hey, get behind us, man.
Yeah, great.
On with the blues.
Bill Street.
See?
It's close enough. Oh.
Damn.
You Memphis. I need to get some scrape guards.
Yeah.
Although my bumper's probably already out.
Be alright. You can't see it.
So it wears a hole.
Yeah. Time to go see Elvis Presley's Graceland.
Keep left at the fork.
That's not what I didn't need this. Oh, scraped right there. Jesus Christ.
Richard's in
How
front
did
of
they
us.
beat us? Oh, you know what it was? When we left the city, they took a different route.
Yeah.
Hello, Richard. You beat us because you took a different route in the city, I think.
Oh yeah? I just followed people.
Alright, there's his old airplanes. Old 707, man. It's crazy. It is Graceland. Alright, just got done seeing Graceland, so it's actually kind of weird. You park on this side, they got all the tourist crap over here, and then Graceland's actually on the other side of the street. We kind of concluded it's kind of underwhelming. It's actually not a very large house at all. It's quite small. It's really crammed in there. I mean, it was like a time capsule. You got like shag carpet and stuff. They won't let you take video. I mean, I guess if you're a big Elvis fan, cool. So we're gonna try and get ahead of everyone else since we need to go to James's place. So James is gonna hook us up, find out where my oil leak is coming from, take care of that, and get this thing so it's good and ready to go for the rest of the rally. Last thing I need to do is crap oil all over everyone else's cars. 2.5 hours to Muscle Shoals, 2 hours 50 minutes from Muscle Shoals to Nashville. We don't have that kind of time because we need to get there before, we gotta get the car taken care of before 5. So we're gonna abandon these jokers.
We're stuck here at Graceland.
Your poor heart, yes. So you guys and Richard are gonna stay. Me and Justin are gonna go. Just as a trooper, we're gonna miss one of the coolest roads in Tennessee. We were going along and had a cop turn around, jam on his brakes, and was crossing the median. So I'm pretty sure he was after us. So I took the next exit. There's a good chance to get some gas. Ate quick lunch, and now we're heading off. Again, back to James's place. You guys remember James from Full Octane Garage? Yeah, we're gonna go see him. He's a badass. Go check out his buddy Kurt's place. That's where we're gonna put the carpet lift and get it fixed. So I gotta check the oil real quick though before we get going, and then we're gonna go underway. Especially on low profile tires like these. So you have to jam on the brakes. You're just scanning the road at every bridge because you're like, okay, do I have to like stab the brakes or do I fly over this one?
I can't believe their DOT allows it.
Yeah, I was telling Justin about it. He's like, nah, I can't believe it, man.
It's that bad. It is that bad.
It's so funny because otherwise the road's perfect.
Yeah.
It's so smooth, and then also
just the transitions are awful. It's really beautiful up here.
Yeah, I like Nashville. Nashville's very pretty.
Do we tell that story, Dan?
Yeah,
Do we get demonetized for that?
Well, there's gonna be a lot of quacks.
Yeah.
And sausages.
Yeah. So so we went out to Bill Street. There was several, I would say, homeless people.
Most likely.
Yeah, most likely homeless, very or mentally ill people. And one of the other rally participants thought it would be a good idea to egg on this woman to grab what he called my corn dog, and she did. It was all pretty funny the first time, but it kept, oh wow, as it kept happening, and I'm trying to get away from her. She's holding my hand, calling me daddy. We had to get out of there. It was getting a little sketch. Good times in Memphis.
Your destination is on the right.
We have arrived. Beautiful Jags.
Ah, yes, you remember this thing? That's bad as hell. Other than the bird shit and the front.
Is that your race number, 458?
Yeah, that was our team number.
That's cool though. Good
Yeah,
idea.
we're like, whatever. Well, originally it was supposed to be 3 458s, and Richard's shit the bed.
Oh, really? But so Loper's got his.
Loper's got his,
Yeah.
which you need to hear that thing.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gotta hear
Are you
it.
guys? So you guys are going up afterwards to have drinks or something like that?
Yeah, well, we stay at the hotel.
I might run up there.
Such a cool road. Yeah, it's a tree canopy like that.
Oh wow.
getting the lift. So pulled off the bottom tray, and definitely the oil was all back here. That's about where the drain plugs are. That's where the leak is. So it's behind the drain plugs. So as you can see, the drain plugs are totally dry. Both these two drain plugs and the sump plug. But the rear of the transmission is totally saturated in oil. So, all right, so we're not sure where it's coming from. So we're gonna lower it back down. Probably start it up and stuff. See if we can figure out where it's coming from. We found it, and it's totally my fault. So while I was installing the S-line exhaust, I must have dinked this oil line and it just put the tiniest kink in it, and that must have caused it just to have a tiny leak. There. You can see it dripping.
Oh, right there.
There, yes, right there. Son of a bitch. Well, hope you learned your lesson, kiddies. Be careful when you're farting around with the exhaust on these cars, because you can damage that little tiny oil line. Very, very small. All right, we are mixing up some basically JB Weld kind of stuff. And we're gonna kind of encase the line with this crap and then let it set.
This is Redneck Ferrari repair.
We've already done baling wire and duct tape. It's about time we did some JB Weld.
Blow on it, Dan. That'll look good when it's all like shit comes off of it.
Factory.
Yeah, that's what it looks factory.
Rolled right out of Maranello, just like that.
I think it's going to hold up good probably for about 4 or 5 years till you sell it.
You don't tell anybody about
Yeah.
it.
Cut. That plan failed. We let it sit for a while and oil still came out. So second attempt, we're gonna figure out something else. Round 2, fuel line and hose clamp.
That's how you do shit in Tennessee.
That's right.
Stop hitting my lift.
Sounds like a head hitting headboard.
So we went to dinner and came back, and it looks like it's not leaking, or at least if it is, it's really insignificant. It's a little bit damp. There was no fluid on the cloth that we left below it. So we're gonna go drive around the block real quick, see if it, putting under pressure and heat, if that makes it come out anymore. Hopefully not. As you can see, there is no new leaks. I think we are ready to rock and roll. So that should easily take care of it until at least I can get home and get a new line put in. Kurt, and again, so he is part of Full Octane Garage with James.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, with your double fist in the beers.
This is Redneck Beer and Ferraris night.
That's right, that's right. Hose clamps and duct tape and JB Weld. Woo!
Now all you guys down in Texas have to go to fulloctaneinsurance.com. We can insure all of your collector and exotic cars, especially your exotic cars, agreed value.
A huge thanks. Thank you, both of you. Thank you. Ferrari's back on the road. It's back, ready to rock and roll. So we got to go downtown now and resume the rally and not pee oil all over everyone else's car and my car.
But there is only one problem. In a Ferrari, shift does not happen.
Oh.
Sorry.
All right, we made it to Union Station. We're gonna go get checked in. I'm tired. I don't want to talk right now. We'll talk in a minute. Oh, there she is, all shined up. Good night. All right, YouTube, we're calling it the night. I'm tired. I'm just going to bed. Everyone else is getting drunk, as they should, and I should, but instead, I'm sitting here on my laptop working so that you guys can see videos. Yes, I am editing videos because I'm a nerd, and this is my job, so I guess I have to edit videos instead of have fun sometimes. So you're gonna want to stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. More crazy crap, hopefully less breaking of my car. I've really been having terrible luck on this. This rally has been bad luck for me. We'll see you soon. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. It's gonna be sweet.